Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of men's fashion, focusing on what many are calling the best Asket T-shirt for men. If you're looking for comfort, style, and durability, then stay tuned, because we're about to unpack everything you need to know about the Kingsted T-shirts for men. The Kingsted T-shirts are marketed as royally comfortable, and they truly deliver on that promise. Made from a premium blend of 50% cotton and 50% polyester, these tees offer a soft and lightweight feel that makes them perfect for all-day wear. The fabric is not just comfortable, it's also wrinkle-resistant and fast-drying, which is great for anyone with a busy lifestyle. You can wear them straight from the dryer without worrying about looking disheveled. Kingsted has designed these T-shirts with fitted side seams, providing a classic fit that retains its shape better than traditional tubular tees. This attention to detail makes them versatile enough for a casual outing or lounging around at home. The brand prides itself on delivering high-quality products at a fair price, and these tees reflect that commitment. Available in a variety of colors, including a trendy monochrome 3-pack, the Kingsted T-shirts allow for easy styling. Whether you want to dress them up with a jacket or keep it simple with jeans, these tees are a fantastic base for any outfit. They come in sizes ranging from small to 4XL, catering to a wide audience, which makes it easier for everyone to find their perfect fit. And if you're unsure about size, the Kingsted store provides a detailed size chart to help you make the right choice, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable in whatever size you choose. What sets Kingsted apart is their dedication to quality. The fabric used in these tees is not just soft, it's designed to last. They maintain their color and shape wash after wash, which is crucial if you're investing in wardrobe staples. The combination of comfort and durability means these tees won't just sit in your closet, they'll become a go-to favorite. In terms of value, the Kingsted T-shirts offer a competitive price range between $39.87 and $44.31 for packs, which is quite reasonable considering the quality and comfort they provide. When you buy a pack, you're essentially getting designer quality without the designer price tag. Taking care of your Kingsted T-shirts is a breeze. They are machine washable, which adds to the convenience. You can easily toss them in the washing machine without worrying about damaging the fabric. Just follow the simple care instructions, and they'll stay looking great for years to come. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews today, it's worth mentioning that overall feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Many users appreciate the comfort and quality, frequently citing how these shirts have become their daily go-to. This kind of consistent praise speaks volumes about the product and the brand behind it. In summary, the Kingsted T-shirts for men are an excellent addition to any wardrobe. With their superior fabric, thoughtful design, and excellent value, they stand out as a top choice for anyone in search of the perfect T-shirt. If you're tired of sacrificing comfort for style or vice versa, these tees might just be the answer you've been looking for. So, head over to the Kingsted store and grab your pack today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there. Until next time, stay stylish.